Hi students, yesterday we were discussing about the mysterious Zeta Beta. Today also we shall be dealing about the mysterious Zeta Beta itself. Students, yesterday we learned that a geographer, that is a geographer, comes out of his house and comes out of his shop and asks Zach questions about what is the name of the great river. The first question was, what are the three African nations? And the last question was, what are the two greatest rivers in the world? Zach knew the answer and he answered all the questions. So the first question is, what are the three African nations that 6 people like it? That was Zaire, Zambia and Zimbabwe. The second question was, what is the name of the Zambia's greatest river? It was Zambezi. And the third question was, what are the names of the two greatest rivers in the world? That was the Amazon and Mississippi. That situation was like, there was that when Zach was answering when both of Zach and Zog, they hear a rumbling sound. Rumbling sound is the sound of a thunder. God, like if it rains, you have heard the sound of a thundering. Gud gud gud. जैसे कि थंडर की आवाज आती है, बारिश पड़ने वाला तो गरजता है. That is the sound. उसे क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? Rumble बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? Rumble. Okay, students, rumbling sound. And then Zog, as I told you yesterday, the person Zog, this Zog tells for Zach. It is Zach, it is Zog. Zog is a geographer. Zog is a geographer and Zach is a boy who has to answer all the questions to reach his home. And there, both of them, they hear a rumble sound. Rumble sound means a thunder sound, and this fellow points and shows like this. Ye dekho, and shows like this. There goes Zisman the seventh, zooming back to Zenith Ziggurat in his Zeppelin. Students, Zeppelin means, you might have seen in the movies where the gods they carry a motorbike and they go like this. That is nothing but Zeppelin. I'll show you the image of Zeppelin also. See, this is the image of Zeppelin. Now, we have to understand, and this fellow, he points out at Zeppelin and he says, see there, he is going this one, the seventh. It is, and you know the roads were zigzag. The roads were zigzag. See, this is zigzag roads. The roads were zigzag. As he zigzagged along, Zach realized how hungry he is. Suddenly, he saw a coin lying on the ground. It must be the Polish coin called zloty. Indian rupees, like this is nothing but 1 rupee, 2 rupees. But there, the coins were made of zinc. That is nothing but zloty. On the coins को क्या बोलती? Zloty बोलती. ठीक है? And he was feeling so hungry. Hungry means भूख लगना. Like मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही. Mama, I'm feeling so hungry. Give me some food. So the word hungry means भूख लगना. ठीक है? You feel in the afternoon you feel hungry, right? When the teacher doesn't leave you to go out for a break, lunch break. If it happens 5 minutes late also, just ma'am, feeling hungry, madam. So like that. Even Zach was feeling so hungry. And he realized that there is a coin lying on the ground, and he takes up the coin and he sees that that is a zloty. By this time he reached the gates of Zenit Ziggurat set in a huge wall. Now he has reached the palace of Ziggurat. In the last term only I told. Imagine this is a big palace. The name of the palace is Zenit Ziggurat. By now he has reached the palace, and there he saw a shop, Ziggy's snack stand. It is nothing but, see, Ziggy's snack stand. See, this is Ziggy's snack stand they have given. So it is Ziggy's snack stand. And there he comes out and he answers the question. But now you have to eat our national food. Who says this one? A Ziggy. He met a Ziggy. Ziggy is nothing but the shop owner. Which shop owner? Snack shop owner. So he comes out and he asks the question for Zach. You have to eat our national food. So he asked the question, do you have money? He says, yes, I have a zloty. Splendid. In that case, you have to eat our national dish. Zach saw full of what looked like green pumpkin. Then he remembered what it was. It was zucchini. Zucchini comes like a cucumber के जैसी आती है. Cucumber means a खीरा, कंकरी. कंकरी की जैसी आती है. That is nothing but थोड़ी similar होती है. Look here. This is zucchini. See, the Ziggy is carrying this one. This is zucchini. Zucchini is, it looks like a cucumber itself. That's khira. And then he remembered what it was. Zucchini. Smart boy. See, the words are not smart boy. He is using smart boy. It is actually smart. Smart boy. Now you will eat zucchini with zest and zeal. He says, who says? Ziggy says. To whom? To Zach. You have to eat this, and I know you will eat this with zest and zeal, with great enjoyment. Smart boy. Zach was so furious, he banged the counter and I said, I came all this way and answered all the silly questions, and now I'm starving to death and I want a burger. He says, and he plays like this. It's nothing but bang on the counter. Bang on the you take this and give me a burger. And a thunderous sound made Zach whirl around. The great gates of Zenit was swinging open. Zisman the seventh came rushing out with a squad of, because he told the word burger, which is not allowed in Sixth Land. He says, I came all this way. मैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक सफर करने को आया. I answered all your silly questions, and now you're asking me to eat zucchini. I hate zucchini. I don't want. He just banged the counter and he says, I want a burger. And now what happens? The gates were swirling, kulrim, muchri. Like it's opening, closing, that's swirling around the gates. And then comes Zisman in great, how dare you? He asked the questions. How dare you? Zachi's vicar, eat your zucchini, wrote Zisman. What he says? No, you have to eat zucchini because that is our national food and you cannot disobey. If you disobey, we will not send you to home. Who says? Zisman says. To whom? To Zach. क्या बोलती? तुम्हें ये zucchini खाना ही खाना. अगर नहीं खाए तो हम तुम्हें तुम्हारे घर को वापस नहीं भेजते. कौन बोलती? जिस्मन बोलती. किस लिए? क्यों उनके जाकरी जो है, जाकरी रिफ्यूज करा था, मैं zucchini नहीं खाता बोल. अब तुम्हें वैसा नहीं, घर पर नहीं, मेरे को ये खाना ना को, मेरे को दूसरा दो. बोलते हैं कि नहीं? In the same way, even he says, no, I don't want zucchini, I want burger. Nothing doing. I hate zucchini and I hate Zixlin. I want to go back to America. Another crime. He says the word America. So, Zisman, he becomes so angry because he has used the word or the letter ye, which is not acceptable in Zixland. अब घर में अम्मी ये काम नहीं करना बोल को तुम्हें करे तो क्या करती अम्मी? They'll slap you, they'll alert you, they'll punish you, isn't it? In the same way, now Zach has committed a mistake. Zach has committed a mistake of not obeying Zsigmond and Zixlang's rule. The rule of Zixlang was not to use the word that begins with A. And he does that mistake. So what happens? Let's see. Zsigmond railed back and howled with rage. Now you have unforgivable. You have used a letter A. So he says, now I'll put you in jail. Or I'll put you and I'll not allow you to go back to your home. He says, no, I answered all your questions. उन्हें क्या बोलता है? नहीं, rule के मुताबिक I've answered all your questions. See, because he told it's a national flag, national jewelry, the answers asked by geographer and this Zigzag stand. He answered all the questions. So according to rule, Zsigmond has to send Zag to his home, isn't it? Now he realized, no, you have to silence. There is a way out. You can ask me questions about Zeta Bet that I can't answer. So now Zsigmond says, if you ask me any questions that if I don't say, I'll let you go home about Zeta Bet only. क्या बोलता है? Zsigmond बोलता है कि तुम्हें मुझे Zeta Bet का कोई सा भी क्वेश्चन पूछो, अगर मैं उसको नहीं दे पाया तो ठीक है, आप घर जा सकते. अगर मैं वो आंसर्स दे डालिया बोले तो आप घर नहीं जा सकते. कौन बोलती? Zsigmond बोलती. So he says, Zag turned pale and snapped his finger. घबरा जाता. अब because Zsigmond know all the Zeta Bet questions. कैसा पूछो? Snapped his finger मतलब what to ask. Say ऐसा. Snapped his finger. ऐसा. Which question to ask? Allah, क्या पूछो? So Zag is very this one. And he says, yes, he's asked the question. Now I'll ask the question. Mr. Karkar, oh, I got an idea. Now I have to ask the question. The question is, Zag asked for Zsigmond to say Zeta Bet. To say, there is Zeta Bet. Z-Y-V-W se bolo. But that has to be from forward. See, when he came, he had to answer A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, these are the words in Zeta Bet. Now, Zag asks Zsigmond to read the letters from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Listen, because it's easy for Zag, but it was difficult for Zsigmond. He says, now Zsigmond turned pale and said, well, of course, I can. He says, A, B, C, D, F. No, that's not right. Who says? Zag says, नहीं, तुम्हें गलत बोल रही. A, B, C, D, F, D नहीं आता. Again he says, no, A, B, C, D, G. Again Zag says, नहीं. Zsigmond गलत बोल रही. Wrong again. Like that, he shouted A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, M, L. No. Wrong. Who's telling wrong now? Zsigmond. क्योंकि उनको यहाँ से words नहीं आते. Only he knows from here. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q. यहाँ से आते हैं उनको, लेकिन Zsigmond को यहाँ से नहीं आते. So Zag क्या बोलता है? नहीं, तुम्हें यहाँ से ही बोलना बोलो. A, B, C, D से ही बोलना बोलो. So Zsigmond fail हो जाता है. In that way, he comes back to his own house in Appleton Avenue in Auburn, Alabama in America. So he comes back and देखा तो जब उसकी आंख खुलती है तो you realize that he is in America. So this is about Zeta Beta. ठीक है? If you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask me the questions. Till that one, go through the pros. It's very easy. Till that one, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.